Very good morning to all of you. Here we are discussing about the topic of variable and constant. What are the variables? What are the constant in the programming language as well as in the mathematics also. Here the same concept of mathematics as well as the programming language. Now what we are discussing about that in this video, we are discussing about the variables and constant, how to write a variable name, how to create a variables, how to print a variables, and how to changing the value of variable. And then after that we are discussing about the brief summary. Now let us start. Firstly, we are discussing about the variable and constant. What are the variables and what are the constant? Now let us learn with an example. Variables, what are the variables? Variables are the container for storing data value. Means that variable are something which can store any data, any value. That means a variable is a container. That's called a container for storing data and value. Let's see an let's see a picture which we have seen a cardboard, and there are various toys are on the cardboard. The things inside the box are called variable. Means that the various thing inside the box whose value not fixed, it can be changes to that value, or that things are called a variable. And the box here, these things are inside, the things are on the box are called address, and that box is called a location. Now variable and constant in Python are same in mathematics. Both have the same meaning. Both have the same meaning in any programming language. They're the same. Not only Python. We are discussing about C, Java. Both have the same meaning in as. Now let us take an example in mathematics. If we have to find an average of two number, and we don't know the who don't know the numbers, so we have assumed two variables. Means that x and y, we have to assume any variable a, b, c, etc. We have to assume any two variable. And how to find the average of two number? Firstly, sum of two variable, sum of two number, then divide by 2. Then we have actually may assume we have assumed two variable x and y. Then how to find average? We have to firstly plus the two variables, then after that we have to divide it by 2. For example, we have taken x is equal to 17 and y is equal to 30. So then we have to plus it, and then after that we can divide it. Now how to write the variable in programming language, in Python, in any programming language, C++, Java. So firstly we have to write the variable name. What we have to write a variable name? Variable name must be common, not be a keyword. Means that we have discussing in the later what is a keyword, what is a keyword. So firstly we have to simply how to write a variable, how to assign, how to create a variable. We have to firstly create a variable name x. We have taken example variable name x. Any variable, you can take any value, you can take any name, can be as a variable name. Then how to assign a value? You have to put equal to, then the value, the right side of the operand. Then how to assign a value in a variable? The right side of an operand is a value which can assign on the left side of an variable. Means what we have written in the right side of the variable, it can be a value of the left side of a variable. For example, we have seen that we have firstly define a variable x. Then after that we have assigning a value to a variable. We have assigning a 10 to a 10 value to a variable. Then we have seen equal to, then is equal to 10. It means that the 10 value is assigned to a variable x. Now x and y are variable which can store any value that they are assigned. Means that the x and y we have defining a variable, and it can store any value that they are assigned. It can store any value. The here we have one thing is also known, that is data type. Data type are also used to define the value which are stored. If we have defined data type is integer, so it can store only integer. If we have defined character, then it can store only character. And now we are discussing about the topic constant. Here what are the constant? 70 and 30 are the constant which are assigned to a and b respectively. Means that if we are defining a variable x and y, and we have fixed the value of x and y as 70 and 30. Here we have fixed the value of 70 and 30. Then it can be constant, not a variable. It can be constant. Its value cannot be changed. For example, we have taken example of pi. Here the value of the pi is fixed. Means that pi has a value of 22 upon 7, or is equal to 3.14. Here value cannot be changed. It means that those value not cannot never be changed are called constant. Now simply take an example. Firstly, we are defining a variable x and y. Then we have defining, and then after that we have assigning the variable to a value. We have assigning x is equal to 5. We have assigning a value x to 5 and y to John, यानी कि string. And then after that we have printing the value of x and y. Here we have used print then x. What we have print in x means 5, and what will we print in y means John. So how we can write this code? Now here value of x and y we have seen in the output. Then after that we have used a constant. What is constant? Constant is a type of variable that hold value which cannot be changed. Here we have discussing about that. What is a constant? That type of variable whose value cannot be changed, can never be changed. For example, we have taken example of pi. We have already taken example of pi at 3.14. Its value can never be changed, and the gravity, its value can never be changed, 9.18. Here we have write print. We have to print the value of constant pi and constant gravity. We have to print constant dot pi and then print constant dot gravity. Here we have seen in the output window that is 3.14 is the value of the pi, and the 9.8 is the value of the gravity. How to rule? Now we are discussing about the rules to write a variable name. How to write a variable name? What are the rules we have remembered in our mind while written a variable name? First rule: variable name cannot be start with a number. It must be remembered that if we are defining a variable, then it cannot be start with a number. Then what was the second rule? Variable name can made up of letter, number, and the underscore character. Means that the variable name can made up of letters. It must be remembered that variable name must be made of numbers, letter, and underscore must be there. There is no space bar between the variable name. Now the third things we have to remember in our mind while defining a variable name. A variable name cannot contain a space. We have already discussed in the second. Variable name cannot be contain a space. If we want a space, we can use an underscore to separate word. If you want to separate word between the two variables, between the variable name, you can use an underscore. Now what are the legal and illegal variable? What is a legal variable and what is an illegal variable? For example, we have defining a variable name is equal to John, and then after that we have my name, my underscore name is equal to John. Then we have defined count is equal to John, where 1 is equal to hello. Here we have remembering all the rules while creating a variable, while defining a variable. And what are the illegal variables? We have not remember the rules. We have not remember the rules for creating a variable. For example, number of cars. We are using a space which will not be used in our defining, which will not be used in our for creating a variable name. For example, we have used a space bar. Instead of using space bar, you have used underscore, hashtag. Variable name can never be started with a special word. Here we have used a hashtag that will not allowed for creating a variable name. Now we have used a number to my var dot is equal to John. Here variable name can never be started with a number. Then we have used a hashtag with also use a space bar is not allowed. Then after that, legal variables. Legal variable, my name is equal to Tom. My name is equal to my underscore name is equal to Tom. It is also correct. Underscore my name is equal to Tom, ये भी correct है. My name is equal to Tom, ये भी correct है. My name 1 is equal to Tom. Here it's all correct. Here illegal variables, starting with a number is not allowed. We have already discussed in our rule for defining a variable. We have not used any number while in a starting with a variable name. Syntax error, the space are not allowed, we have already discussed. Creation of variable. A variable and the data type are created once any value is assigning to it. Where we have already discussed about it. What are the data types? Data types are the value which can be stored inside a variable. Means that which type of value stored by our variable, means that which type of value are stored our data type, our variable which we assigning to a value of a variable. The variable and its data type are created once any value is assigned to it. For example, length is equal to 20. A variable called a length is created and its value is assigning to 20. We are defining a variable length, and his value we have assigning a value to the 20 to the length variable. Now we have defining a variable cost, and we have assigning a value to the 30.20 to the variable cost. Here how to define a variable. Here to find out what a variable store, enter print in the shell and forward by the variable name in the parenthesis. Here firstly we have to define a variable, and then after that we have assigning a value to a variable. We have defining a variable x, y, z, and we have assigning a value to a variable x is equal to 89 and y is equal to 12, and then after that we have assigning the value of x plus y to the z variable. Then we have to print the value of the variable x, print the value of variable y, and print the value of variable z. Here is a simple code. We have to remember in our mind how to define a variable, how to assigning a value of variable, how to print a value of a variable. Python reserved word. Python has a set of keywords that are reserved word that cannot be used as a variable name. These are very important topic and the very important things that are remember while defining a variable name. Here not only the Python, every language, programming language, C, C++, Java, having the reserved word, keywords, we can say that keywords, these cannot be used in our data type. These data type, not only data type, these cannot be used in our variable. These words are the pre-reserved, we can say that a reserve which cannot be used in our variable name. Means that these words are used for specific purpose and used for the specific kind of work. These words are pre-compiled, means pre-compiled and pre-defined word. Here we cannot use this word. Here these are break, class, else, from, is, pass, while, will, etc., do, for, while, etc. How to changing the value of variable. Firstly we have defining a variable x, then we have assigned a value of x as 12, and then we have defining a variable y, and then we have assigned a value of y as a 12. Then we have print x plus y. What is the sum of the x plus y? We have printing. Then after that we have assigned a value x to the 10. Now it can be the value of y 12 can be already diminished, and it can take a new value 10. Then we have to print x plus y. Then it can take x as a 10 and y as a 12 and print 22. Means that we have defining, after that we have changing the value variable. It can change in the memory also. It can change in our memory also, because if we are defining a variable if we are defining a variable x, it means that if we defining a variable x, then it means that a memory will be created in our system, that x is a memory, and we are assigning a value to a 12, and memory will create a value 12. Now after that we have assigning a value again to 10, then 12 will be removed and the 10 will be assigned to our memory. And what is the changes we have seen in the changing value variable. Now we have taken the summary. We have discussed about variable and constant, how to write our variables, what are the rules to writing a variable, what are the creation of variable, how to print variables, how to changing value of variables. Now thank you.